Parison programming is the process of changing the parison thickness as the plastic is extruded from the die head. Programming can reduce the amount of plastic used, improve the wall thickness distribution, and reduce cooling time. In this die head design, the angle between the bushing and the mandrel are slightly different. The larger gap at the beginning of the land region reduces the pressure loss. The difference in gap thickness between the top and the bottom of the land region allows the programmer to vary the gap by moving either the bushing or the mandrel up and down while the parison is being extruded. Changing this gap during parison extrusion changes the parison thickness and diameter. The operator sets the control system to adjust the gap thicker in those areas of the blown container that expand the most, or thinner in those areas that expand the least. In this die design, the land region of the die head can be either diverging or converging. In setting up the program controller, the operator must know whether it is the mandrel or the bushing that the programmer adjusts. The operator must know whether it is a converging or diverging die. If it is the mandrel that adjusts the gap and it is a converging die, raising the mandrel will open the gap. If it is a diverging die, raising the mandrel will close the gap. If the programmer adjusts a movable bushing on a converging die, raising the bushing will close the gap. But if the bushing is controlling a diverging die, raising the bushing will open the gap.
Mirar に映るかけた